Now the activity sheet is going to work in a very similar way to the food and drink sheet, except we just have one cost for how much it costs to rent the item. So let's just say we're going to have a bouncy castle, it's going to cost $500, we're going to charge $5 a ticket, and let's say we're going to sell 75. Obviously I still need to do some of the formatting. My revenue works out the same, and my profit is revenue minus the cost. So I can see actually here this would actually be a loss, so I'd either need to increase the price so that I make a profit, or actually not use this option. Obviously the totals and the sums, we're going to calculate those in just the same way. Now, once we have all of those profits for each of the different sheets, we're going to bring those into the summary sheet. So I've got my food and drink revenue, so I'm going to click on equals on here, and then go to my food and drink sheet, and I'm going to get the revenue, press enter to bring that across, and then I'm going to go to my food and drink sheet again, get the total expenses, bring that across, and then do the same for all the other events. So I've got total cost, which is at total expenses. I've got my total revenue here, haven't got anything in that yet. We'll calculate my ticket revenue, which is going to be the attendance times the ticket price, and my performer or events expenses, which is the total from this sheet here. And I can see I'm actually making a loss at this point. Let's just say I decide I want to charge $5 a ticket, and I'll make an $840 profit. So these are our basics for setting up our spreadsheet. Obviously this is just a very simple example. You can customize and modify any of these sections to look how you want, but this will basically show you how you can get a basic profit and loss sheet for your event.